This is question 15 and it's a question about ratio, and it says that Jamil makes a drink by mixing 1 part of orange squash with 9 parts of water, and he's using 750 millilitres of orange squash, and then he's going to put all the drink he makes into 1 litre bottles, and we've got to work out how many 1 litre bottles he can completely fill. So what we're told is that the 1 part is the orange squash, and actually that represents the 750 millilitres. So we can write that down first of all. So 1 part equals 750 millilitres. And if we add the ratio together, we get actually 1 part plus 9 parts is equal to 10 parts. And that's the total of the drink that he's going to make. So that's the total. So if I want to know how many millilitres there are in the total, well, that's 10 parts. And I can times 750 by 10, and I will get 7,500, because all I need to do to times by 10 is actually add a 0 on the end. So that's how many millilitres that I've got. And I'm talking in terms of litres now rather than millilitres, because it's about 1 litre bottles. So it will be useful to put this millilitres into litres. And to do that, to go from that to litres, all I need to do is divide the number by 1000, because there's 1000 millilitres in a litre. So to do that, to divide by 1000 is actually quite easy, because all we need to do is move the decimal point back 1, 2, 3 places, and actually I get 7.5. So the total of the drink that he's making is actually 7.5 litres. And then we want to know how many full bottles can he make from this 7.5 litres. Well, if he's got 1 litre bottles, we can see that he can make 7 full bottles, because 7 full bottles would just be 7 litres. So 7 full bottles is 7 litres. And then he'd be left with 0.5 of a litre, which wouldn't be enough to fill the final bottle. So in fact, it's 7 full bottles that he can make. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, please consider subscribing to our channel and also giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.